What's up, everyone? Welcome to Patrick's Entertainment Purposes Only. Listen, I wanted to do a short video here with everything going on in the world. This is definitely not about that because I'm not a person to talk about that over YouTube or anything like that, or Facebook or Instagram. But with everything going on, the last thing the crypto community needs is for us to fight each other. Now, whatever project you're in, that's your business. That's your hard-earned money. Leave it at that. If you don't like a project that someone else is in, who cares? It does not hurt you personally. If somebody wants to invest in a coin called, literally, I'm going to take your money coin, if they want to invest in that coin and they like that project for some reason, it's their money. Let them invest in that. It doesn't affect you. I don't know why everyone goes in everyone else's chats, talking crap, saying this is a scam, this is a rug pull. Who cares? If it's not your money, all you're doing is creating chaos. Because then here's the deal. You go in someone else's group, they're going to find out what you're into, then they're going to go into your group and do the same thing. It's like we're little kids bickering back and forth. I don't get it. The stock market, the reason why they do that, you don't see that in the stock market, is because it's grown-ass adults that don't fight. They invest their money into big boy companies. These crypto companies aren't there yet, and it's like we're a bunch of immature little brats that are fighting each other. I don't get it. Each project doesn't need other people in there to just talk crap. We don't need that as a crypto community. It's ridiculous. It's childish. It's uncalled for. And listen, we're actually killing the crypto space ourselves. Forget these great projects that are busting their butts, trying to create utility and trying to do better things for the world. We're literally crushing our own ecosystems by bickering back and forth. We call each other, you guys call each other armies and this and that. Listen, you're an investor. Who cares how big your ecosystem? Good for you. That's great. You found a project you are invested in that you like. That's great. If someone doesn't want to invest in your project, or they don't feel comfortable investing in your project anymore and want to sell, they're not a bad person. It's just not for them at that point in time. If they want to take their money and sell, that's their choice. That's not your choice. So the hodl all day, whatever you guys want to say and yell at people for taking profits, listen, people are going to do whatever they want to do with their money. You cannot get mad at them. Whether it's take profits, invest in another project, it's ridiculous. It's not your money. It's not your choice. Let them do what they want. If they want to invest in a company called I'm going to take your damn money, let them do it. It's not your right to go in and post a bunch of crap in their Telegram or on their Facebook page, whatever. It's childish. It's uncalled for. Listen, we need to stop. We're all in this together. We all, at the end of the day, have the same goals. Our goal is to change our family's life. And we're never going to do that if we're pointing fingers and fighting back and forth. And you told me this is a scam. Stop. Stop being childish. Be a freaking grown-up investor. And let's make some money. Let's stop the fighting and bickering. Thank you.